it's Chelsea, where we talk about all things glam and all things girly. So today I have my first beauty box subscription that I want to share with you. This is by Glossybox, and so I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I have used all of the products in this box except for one, so I'll be able to share with you what the products are, my own personal experiences with them, and all of that. Thank you so much to all of you who have decided to spend some time with me today. If you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to consider subscribing to my channel and joining the Glam Girls squad, and let's just get right into this video. So like I said, this is the beautiful box from Glossybox. Thank you so much to them for reaching out to me and asking me if I wanted to participate in this campaign. And so if you're not sure what Glossybox is, they are a beauty subscription type of service. So in this particular box that they sent me, this is the theme of the box. So it is their Poolside Paradise box. So this box is limited edition, and I want to say that this box is only available through the month of June. So if this is something that you're interested in, you'll definitely want to take advantage of it as soon as possible. But first of all, before I get into the details of it, look how nice this was all packaged. And you all know I love pink, so I was like, oh, this is beautiful. So for the month of June and for my followers, they've given me a discount code. If you're interested in getting this box as well as any other boxes from them, if you click on my link below and use my code, you'll get your first box for $1 of a 12-month subscription, which I think is great, especially if you really are into like beauty subscriptions and things like that. So this box is worth $86, and in this box I got 3 full-size products and then 2 deluxe size products. So the first item in my box is going to be, this is the Seed Phytonutrient Moisture Conditioner. This does retail for, get my little pamphlet here, this does retail for $18. And it's a vegan, silicone-free formula that is designed to replenish dry, coarse, or damaged hair. It has organic metafoam seed oil that provides deep hydration for healthy, soft, shiny hair, while their mango butter helps to manage dry ends and flyaways. So this is the one product that I didn't have a chance to use it, which I'm so upset because I actually washed my hair recently and I just forgot to use it. So I'll report back after I use this, but I really do like so far what it sounds like. I also love the packaging here. It's definitely a recyclable packaging. Just some other high points about it. It's going to be paraben free. There's no animal testing. It'll have a natural fragrance in it, and then it's also gluten free. The next product is another full-size product, and this is the, I think it's pronounced Noah Bay Cosmetics. This is their Freedom Low pH Hemp Green Tea Cleanser. I have used this a few times and I really like this. So this is a gel type of cleanser that does not foam. So if you're used to your cleanser foaming, you do have to kind of get used to it, like not foaming. I know the first time I used a gel cleansing type of cleanser and it didn't foam, I was like, wait, I didn't do nothing. But this does actually clean my face really good. I've used it on just days where I'm cleaning my face without makeup. I've used it on days where I've cleaned my face with makeup, and it works really well to cleanse my face. Just to give you some other details about it, it's going to be a first step to any skincare routine for either both day or night. It's formulated to delicately remove dirt and daily impurities while respecting the skin's acid mantle. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free. Like I said, it's a gel cleanser, and it's gonna leave your skin feeling refreshed without stripping away your natural oils. It retails for $18.20, and I really like that it doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils. I try to use cleansers that don't do that because I just hate the extremely dry feeling that my skin does feel after that. And then if you strip your skin of the natural oils, then your skin's gonna wanna produce more oils, making your sebaceous glands, your oil glands more active, and then that can lead to acne, and don't nobody want that. So I really like that cleanser. And I want to say I used it about 3 or 4 times. I've had no issues using it, so I'm gonna put this back in the bathroom and keep using it, but I really like that one. It does have fragrance in this cleanser. I looked at the ingredient list, but it is literally all the way at the bottom. I didn't really smell a fragrance when I used it. Let's smell it again just to make sure. I mean, it's a very, very, very light, slight fragrance. So if fragrance doesn't bother you too much, then I don't think that that fragrance will bother you, but I did want to point that out. Okay, the third item, which I was really excited about this, is a natural deodorant. So of course this is a sample size. This is called the Piper Way Natural Deodorant Cream. So this is what it looks like, and I've been wearing natural deodorants for about 4 years now, so I've tried my fair share of them. This one is good. I like that this formula is very smooth. It didn't irritate my underarms at all, and it actually held me throughout the day, which if you know natural deodorants, some of them are not gonna make you not last past, sometimes I've had ones that I started to smell myself after 2-3 hours. So for this one, I would say I didn't even think to like reapply it until maybe after the 8-hour mark, which I think is great. So just to give you some other details about it, it says it's 1 OWP, which is an ocean waste product from a Piper Way that is equal to 10 plastic bags that are out of the ocean. That's amazing in terms of its packaging. So it's an activated charcoal deodorant that's formulated with clean ingredients that melt into the armpits, absorb moisture, and provide long-lasting odor protection, making it sustainable and effective. And it does retail for $13 for the full size and then $6 for a deluxe mini. And I would have to definitely agree to this. Like I said, I would say it wasn't until about the 8-hour mark that I even thought like, okay, maybe I should reapply. And because I was home, I ended up not even reapplying. And by the time I showered that night, I wasn't like, you know, fumigating out here. So I'm actually probably gonna purchase the full size of this when I run out because I really enjoyed the texture of it. And the charcoal scent is not too much. I know sometimes charcoal based products I don't really like because that charcoal scent is just too much. And this one is not like that. So I really like this one. I'm always here for trying a new natural deodorant, but of course I want something that's gonna hold me odor-wise and also sweat-wise if possible. The fourth product is, a liquid highlighter. So this is by Josephine Cosmetics, and this is the third full-size product in the box. So this is what it looks like, very beautiful packaging. And then at the bottom of the packaging, you can see the shade of the highlighter. And so this is the Do You, the Flawless Liquid Highlighter, and the shade is Clear. So it says, illuminate your best features with just a swipe of this Luxe Natural Complexion Enhancer infused with skin nourishing green tea extract, evening primrose, and luminous radiant pearls that captures and reflects light for a healthy, dimensional, sun-kissed, dewy finish. So this does retail for $36, and it is so pretty. So I'm gonna do a quick swipe on my hand so you can see it. So this is what the highlighter looks like. It is like a pink-based, almost like silver toned highlighter. And I'm not putting it on my skin because this is a face for another video, but I have worn this on the cheeks. It does not look too light or too silver based for my complexion. I would say if you are about more than a shade deeper than me, this might not work for you. They do have other shades of their highlighter, so this is not the only one, but I really do like this formulation. It blended in really nicely into the skin, and I mean, it was just like glass gloss on my cheeks. So I really liked this highlighter. I was a little concerned about the shade. I was like, I hope this doesn't look like too silvery, but it didn't. It worked. It looked really beautiful on my skin. The last product is going to be an oil, a facial oil. So this is the Piliani, I think that's how you say the name. It is the Ageless Concentrate. They did send over a deluxe mini. So this is what it looks like, little tiny thing. The deluxe mini, which is 3 mls, is worth $8. The full size, which is 40 mls, is worth $62. It's going to include rare extracts found only in the Bicol region of the Philippines, and its powerful formula was created to nourish the skin deep from within. The Pili oil concentrates have anti-aging benefits with elemi oil extracts that have firming properties, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and supple. So I love to use oils at night. It's by far one of my favorite things to use in my skincare. So what I did was I put this oil on before my moisturizer, and it made my skin extremely soft. It has a natural fragrance to it, so can't really describe what it smells like. Think of like if you've ever smelled like natural oils and it has almost like a grass scent to it. It's not one of those scents that would like turn you off, but it smells very natural. So it sunk very well into my skin. I applied my moisturizer on top and I felt like my face looked just nice and glowy and hydrated. I used that oil at least 2 or 3 times. Didn't have a reaction on my skin. I will be taking that one back up to my bathroom when I'm done with this video, but I really enjoyed that. So I really enjoyed the products in this Glossybox. And like I said, I'll have my code down below, which is Chelsea. I'll have my link down below. And if you are interested in signing up for a 12-month subscription, using my code gets you that first box for $1. If you've made it to this point in the video and you have yet to subscribe to my channel, definitely consider subscribing because I'd love to have you. And guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in my very next video. Bye, guys.